In today's video, I will walk you through how to recover your Outlook password without access to your phone number or email. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook homepage. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom section of the homepage. Look for the link labeled Support and click on it to continue. After selecting Support, you will be redirected to a new Microsoft Help and Support page. In the center of this page, you will see a search bar. Click into that search field so you can begin typing your request. Enter Account Recovery Form into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. From the list of search results, choose the first article that appears titled Account Recovery Form. Opening this article will take you to detailed instructions and the official recovery process provided by Microsoft. Once the article is open, scroll down carefully until you find the button that takes you to the account recovery form. This button is what you will use to move forward with the recovery process, so take your time locating it. Click on that button to proceed. You will then be taken directly to the account recovery form page. On this page, you will be asked to provide information that helps verify your identity. After you have completed filling out the form with the required details, submit it to send your request for review. Once submitted, the recovery process may take some time to complete. While waiting, keep checking for any updates or messages related to your request, as you may receive instructions or status updates during the review. Once everything has been processed and approved, you will be able to regain access to your Outlook account and sign back in successfully. Thank you for watching the video.